In our previous videos in this section, we have discussed different pattern generation problems. And here in this session, we are going to discuss some assignments for you. Some of the patterns we have already solved, but I am going to give you a set of patterns and their respective variations. So what about the patterns we have constructed till now? They can be categorized mainly into 4 different categories. So category 1, where we will be having only stars are getting printed, there is no reflection, there is no blank. In case of category 2, we will be having blank spaces along with the printed stars. In case of category 3, no blank spaces will be there, only star will get printed and the pattern will have a reflection. In case of category 4, we will be having blanks, we will be having stars, we will be having reflections, all. And we have solved some of the patterns already. So here are the categories in details. So in category 1, we are having only the stars are getting printed. There is no reflection. There is no any kind of blank spaces are getting printed. In case of category 2, we are having these 4 different types of patterns for your assignment. So here we are having the blank spaces. We know that we cannot count blanks properly. So that's why we have put some dots there so that you can feel that these are the blank characters. And we are having stars are getting printed, aesthetic symbols are getting printed, but there is no reflection of this pattern. So here we are having two different types, here we are having 4 different types. Obviously this particular pattern can be also drawn not only using stars, but you can fill them up in this way: 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. In this way you can also fill up. Otherwise you can fill up in this way: 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this way also you can go on filling. Instead of printing 1 and 2, also you can go for printing your A, B, C, D. Okay. Now this is my category 3, where blank spaces are not there. Patterns are starting with the aesthetic symbol, star symbols directly, but there is some reflection there. So here we are going to find out the middle point as we have discussed in the earlier videos, and then these patterns can be generated. And for this category number 4, we are having blank spaces there, we are having aesthetic symbols, and also we are having the reflection. So 4 different patterns we have discussed in category 4. So for this one you can have one variation. You can put only these outward stars are there, only this outer line stars will be there, and inside stars will be filled up with some blank spaces. So that pattern can also be generated. So whatever the patterns we have given to you, you can have some variations of them, and I want that you solve all these patterns with the proper tracing table with a certain value for n, and run your program, write the code, run your program with the different values of n to check whether it is working fine for different values of n. So this is the assignment for you. Thanks for watching this video.